Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to iMessage using email. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up settings as we are going to need to verify something. So go ahead and scroll down and tap on apps. Now, once you're in here, tap on messages. After once done, iMessage right here should be turned on. And after that, tap on send and receive. Now from here, make sure that your email or even iCloud is connected. Okay, you can receive messages to and reply from your emails. Okay, as well as start new conversations from your phone number or even your emails first. You can choose whether you want people to see your phone number or your email address when you text them first. Okay, so once that's verified, go ahead and open up messages. Now from here, compose a message, send it to, for example, this email right here. And once that's done, when you go ahead and tap on this text box, okay, if it's green and it says text message SMS right here, the email is not linked to an active Apple device. So if it's linked to an active Apple device and the iMessage is enabled as well on their settings, this one right here will turn blue. And instead of SMS right here will say iMessage, and when you go ahead and type down any text, the reply or send button right here will change to blue. Okay, again, if it's green, it's SMS only. If it's blue, it's iMessage. So go ahead and tap on send, and once done, you are good to go. That's how easy it is to iMessage using an email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.